Hi everyone, I am Samir Ranjan Sahu and welcome to my channel Research Techniques, where you will get to know all the whats and hows of research. So today we will be looking into finding reviewers. How can we find suitable reviewers for our either paper or our thesis? So in the last video I told you how to write papers, and if you want you can refer it, and finding reviewers is also an essential part. So there are two ways where we can get. The first is conference and the next one is research papers. Okay, so yeah, now conferences and research papers. How? So if you are going or attending a conference, you will get a list of all the panels who are there. Okay, so there you can there and there only you can approach them personally. Okay, not to tell them that sir please review my paper, but if you are an editor or if you are a reviewer, what things you look into when reviewing a paper. Okay, I think you might understand it. Suppose someone tells you that please check this answer sheet. So as a examiner, what is the thing that you would like to see in that answer sheet? Similarly, if you are trying to publish a paper, okay, so being a reviewer, what do you want to see or what do you like to see, things, what do you like to see in that research paper? Okay, so that way you can approach the panel members when you are attending a conference, or simply when you are reading a research paper. Okay, there are, you can find the names of the authors. Okay, and the first author is normally the a PhD student, a research student. Okay, and generally the second or the last one, whoever is there, generally they are the you can say the professors, assistant professors, or anything, means they are the supervisors. Okay, so from there you can get their email. Okay, and you can contact them via mail. Okay, when I say contact them via mail, it is not the before sending a paper. Okay, during when you are sending a paper for reviewing, normally any journal asks for a set of reviewer list. Okay, their affiliation, their email ID, everything. So you can search the name in that particular university's website and get their details and give it to the journal editor. Okay, so this is another way where you can communicate to the person as and find him as a reviewer, find him or her as a reviewer. So let's see some practical examples how we can get that. So first let's get into research papers. Okay, so in some countries, be it a thesis reviewing or a paper reviewing, always have some from your country and some from outside your country. Okay, it helps, and have at least 10 members. Okay, 5 from your country, 5 from outside. The list prepared with you. Let's first get into Elsevier, how you can see, search into that, and Taylor and Francis. This is not limited to any engineering journals or anything. Since I am from engineering background, I can I'm showing you the examples for engineering background, but the same theory, the same logic can be applied to any field. Okay, let's see, go to advanced search. Suppose I need nanofluid. Okay, publishing year, always keep it to the latest one, 2020, and of the author affiliation, suppose let's say Germany. Okay, search. Now here also I am doing the same thing, advanced search. Okay, I think I can directly search it here only, nanofluid and Germany. Okay, now see, show open access only. Now whoever some papers are coming, let's see what Elsevier shows. Okay, I got some. This is a free one. Download PDF. Let's see again a recommendation is coming, and see, these are all from Germany. Okay, in the affiliation part I searched for Germany. I don't know any institution's name. I just typed the name of the country. Okay, and see, I got something. I got someone from Germany. So this way you can search and contact them. See, they are from Department of Vascular and Endovascular Surgery. Okay, this is a medical journal, I think. So no problem. Simply you can search them in this hospital's website and contact and get the details. Okay, so when you are submitting to this particular paper, and if they ask for a reviewer's name, you can see who is who and accordingly give their details. Similarly, if I see here, this is PDF. Okay, I think something is wrong here. It is showing Iran. Okay, I don't know what happened. Why it is showing Iran, I don't know. Here it came perfectly. I searched for Germany, it came Germany. Let's see, might not be from anything from Germany, I think, but I guess. Okay, I don't know what happened, but let's search for another country. Let's say, sorry, what is this? Italy, nanofluid Italy. Okay, and showing open access. Let's go to the first one, and let's see. Okay, see, here it is coming Italy. I don't know what happened with Germany, but for Italy it is coming perfectly all right. And so you have to search in this way only. Just visit this institute's website and search for every one of them in their particular department, and you will get their details. So this is how you can get some particular reviewers in your country. If you just remove the name, sorry, not name, just this country name, and search it, you will get from all other countries. And if you want something specific, you can just search it here. Okay, similarly here also in the advanced search, instead of Germany, if I type something else, some other country, let's say, well, let's go for Italy again, and see, something is coming. Since this is not a free access, I cannot. Okay, I got something. Download full text, and let's see the affiliation here. This is about some meeting, I don't know. What is this? Abstract. Okay, this is something else, but still you got the point. How you can get reviewers from your country, how you can get reviewers from some other country. Now this was based on research papers. Okay, how using your research papers you can find your you can say the reviewers. Now let's get into conference. Okay, I'm a mechanical engineer from a thermal background, so let's see, thermal conference. Okay, I'm searching something. Okay, so thermal engineering conference, I'm getting something here. Okay, let's see. Okay, American Society of Thermal, and this is a very good conference. If you're a thermal engineering or mechanical student, you will know this. Okay, see, I have a list of all the thermal engineering conferences here. You just simply you have to search like this only. There is no other method, I don't know. Okay, if you know a specific name, then it is a different thing. Okay, now so let's give this first one a try. Okay, is there any website? Let's see, there might be some website. Fluids and fluid thermal engineering venue. call for papers, important committees. Yeah, see, you don't need the website, you just need these committee members. See, you get the name, you get the university, you can directly search them. And if you are attending this conference, okay, if you are attending this conference, you can personally go and meet them and ask them that, suppose you are a reviewer and a paper is submitted to you, okay, so what are the things that you will like to see in that paper? Okay, this is one. You can see the committees, always go for committees. Okay, see, they are here. These are the, I think, organizing committee, accommodations, author's guide, exhibitors. Let's see, we have to just go through this. Okay, schedule, okay, committees, okay, no problem. You can do one more thing. If you get to know the schedule, okay, or if you get to know the papers also, okay, you will find names in those papers and just search them, and you will get to know, at least you can know the face, so you will recognize them when you see them. So you can directly go and contact them and ask the same thing, but never directly ask them that I have submitted a paper where you are an editor and please accept it and whatever. That is very, very unprofessional. Okay, it should never be done. You should ask them in a general way that I am trying to submit a paper. Okay, so if you are a reviewer, what things you will like to see, okay, in the paper? Let's say now medical conference 2020. Okay, sorry, for any medical students, medical conference. Okay, the conference website, medical conferences. Let's see if there are any medical students. Medical conference 2021. Let's see. Okay, Retina World Congress, view details. Click here to visit the website. See, this is how it is very easy to search. Okay, now why I'm emphasizing on finding reviewers, you will get to know now. Wait, just let's see if I can find something here. Congress information fees. Okay, global news about us. Let's see, board of directors, our partners. See, you just directly got a list here. Board of directors, executive board, international society representatives. See, you have got each and every one of them. So it is very easy to find reviewers for both your thesis, if it is a thesis or what you can say, your paper, research paper, you can easily find. Okay, now the important thing is you have at least now 10 to 15 members, okay, in your list, some from your country, some from different country. Now what happens is, suppose you have submitted a paper, okay, and not one paper, suppose you have written 3 to 4 papers and you have sent them to review to that particular fixed 5 to 10 reviewers that you have kept in your list. Okay, so when they are reviewing your paper, you will automatically get some idea that what is wrong with your work or what improvement you can get. But the most important thing is it will help in your thesis review. How? See, if they already know about your work, okay, so as soon as you send your thesis for review to them only, they will automatically know that this work is good. Okay, this is a very good work which I have already reviewed, so I don't need to review it again. So the process of thesis reviewing becomes quicker. Okay, because a paper only consists of 20 to 30 papers, it will not take much time. But thesis, it is around 200 to 300 papers, 200 to 300 pages. Okay, so it will take a lot of time. So if the reviewer is in touch with your work, okay, the reviewer knows your work, okay, then the time taken by them to review your thesis will drastically reduce. Okay, so keep this in mind whenever you are going to publish a paper. Okay, before that, if you have attended any conference or anything, or you can search through this. Okay, you create a list. Okay, always have a backup. That is why I said 10 to 15. Suppose out of those 10 to 15, some will reply, some will not, some will not reply. Okay, so in that case you should have a backup. Okay, okay, so you see why finding reviewers is a very important part of your work. How you can reduce your thesis review timing. Okay, it I have seen, and many people have faced also, that especially thesis review only takes a lot of time. Okay, so if the reviewer is acquainted with your work, okay, so the time taken by him to review your thesis will drastically reduce. It will help to speed up the process. Okay, I have seen, I have not, I have, many people have also seen, many people have faced troubles getting your thesis review back. Okay, so if the reviewer is already in contact with you, how? Through your papers, the papers which you sent them for review. Okay, so this all process will speed up. Okay, so that will be all for today. So I will meet you next week with more whats and hows of research. Thanks.